This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right away. Power the Jio Hotspot and connect your device by Wi-Fi or USB, then open your browser. Type the local admin address shown on the device or try 192.168.1.1. This opens the router panel. You need the admin credentials next. Many units use a default like administrator, but you might have changed it. Enter the username and current password to proceed. This authenticates you, so you can change settings securely and avoid locking users out. Once logged in, navigate to the settings area labeled Management, Wireless, or Security depending on firmware. This is where passwords live. Locate either the Wi-Fi password, WPA/WPA2, for network access, or the admin password to control the device. Replace the old password with a strong new one. Aim for at least 8 characters combining letters, numbers, and symbols, and make sure you type it twice if required. This prevents unauthorized access and ensures your devices can reconnect smoothly. After entering the new password, click Save or Apply. Many Jio devices will prompt a reboot. Allow it to finish so settings take effect. Then reconnect your phone and other devices with the updated Wi-Fi password, or log in with the new admin password to confirm access. If something goes wrong and you cannot log in, perform a hard reset using the device's reset pinhole to restore defaults, then reconfigure with the default credentials shown on the sticker. This recovers access, but erases custom settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.